All right, Crim J2 clap. Okay, so we're gonna start our YPI graduation. This is something new for us at NEWTech. For you guys to experience that a little bit later on, you'll probably realize, like, wow, I was a part of that, reintroducing it back to the schools, and you're the first class to be able to do that with Spokane PD.
Mark time, march. Colors, 2. Post colors.
You guys, thank you very much for joining us during YPI. It's very important to us that you guys are part of our community and we're part of your community, okay? So we really value that you guys showed up, that you paid attention, that you engaged with us in the conversations that we had and all those stories that we had about situations in police work. So thank you very much for doing that.
And I just can't thank Mr. Williams enough and you guys enough for just partnering with us. Because like my partners have said, we're a community, right? We're a full community. We're not the police and students and teachers and Albertsons workers and pizza workers. We're a community. We got to come together. We got to learn from each other and be a team. And that's what makes our community so great, is that our partnerships, what they've done. We want to be in every single school. We want to be working with you guys. We want to be sitting at the table, talking, discussing things, because this is what forms you. People like Mr. Williams that help form you guys that are going to be successful adults. That's what we want to see.